Hello and welcome to KK House, where you can learn to make money bouquet for yourself. Are you up for the next challenge? Because today I will introduce you my newest money bouquet style. I named it Heart Money Bouquet. I did a live tutorial last February and I promised that I would do another regular tutorial later on. This money bouquet requires a lot of skills and techniques, so make sure that you watch the entire tutorial. I will mention materials during the tutorial. Let's get started with folding technique first. We will be using 21 bills of $2. Folding for heart money bouquet is 90% like classic style. The only difference is the middle part. We are going to pin a crisp line in the middle to create a heart shape. I like to pin just the top only so I can keep the petal bottom to be round and not too small for the whole bouquet look. I am making another classic petal so you can see the difference here. By the way, I am using 6" bamboo skewers. I also highly recommend using no bills for the best look. Alright, let's get ready for the arranging technique. Don't forget to prepare a floral scissor because we are going to need a lot of help here. I will use the first 5 bills to create a straight line. I need to trim the skewer shorter toward to the front so it would be easier to poke into the foam. There are 16 bills left. I will use 8 bills on each side using the ladder technique. If you cannot get the heart shape the first time, try to space out all the bills so you have a better practice. And yes, more practice will be the best for any handmade work. While watching me doing the rest, I will answer the most comments. The green block that I use is a dry floral foam. It's not wet foam and it's not also styrofoam. You can find dried foam at Dollar Tree store, Michael's, and even Walmart. Done with arranging, let's move to adding flower step. This step is the biggest difference versus to all of my previous money bouquets. I will be using preserved crystal grass flowers. If you don't have or cannot buy these flowers, you can use fresh baby's breath instead. After it dry out, you can just remove it and still be able to keep the money part. Here's a little tip working with dry or preserved flowers. Their branches get really crunchy sometimes. It's the best that we create a pick like this so all the flowers stay strong during the wrapping step. bouquet wrapping step. The customer requests white theme with a little touch of black, so I choose these three papers. I will be using 4 sheets of paper in total. I mentioned earlier that I did a live tutorial of this heart-shaped bouquet. If you would like to rewatch the wrapping technique in a slow and detailed speed, feel free to search for this tutorial under my live section, or just simply follow the link that I attached below. We do have a lot of listings for wrapping papers. Feel free to visit our Etsy's page, or if you're interested in those designer papers, you can visit our website. I will include those links in my description box for your convenience. We are almost done. Don't forget to add some extra cotton tissue papers to make the bouquet fluffier. Requirements of this bouquet are that the bouquet can't stand by itself. Second, it has to have a clean heart-shaped look. And the third, wrapping needs to be stable and support the whole bouquet well. And don't forget to finish it strong with a beautiful ribbon. We have finished the tutorial today. Thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel for the next tutorials. This is Kelly. See you all in the next video.